Welcome, here I've got Huawei Mate 10 Pro and let me show you how to turn on and off camera mirror effect at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode with back camera, so to make work our mirror effect we have to change it to the front one. Let's do it by simply tapping this button from the right. And here we are. Now let's move up to the right corner button so we can open camera settings. And here in capture settings category, at the first place we have mirror reflection now, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn off and turn on our camera mirror effect as we need. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.